want to ask you who wants to lead our prayer. Oh, not already. I want Indy. How about you, Indy? Can you hear me? Indy. Okay, hi Indy. Yeah, please lead our prayer for today, ya Indy ya.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready to pray. Let's pray together. Dear God, thank you for today. We are going to study and learn. Please bless everyone. Thank you, God. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Indy. Okay, good morning, all. As usually, before we start, I want to ask you who have seen the PDF learning of today. Who have seen kids? Yeah, Gracia already. Good. Hilary, Nona. Okay, how about others? Christopher already. How about Andre, Rehan, Ruth, Brian, Nicholas? Oh, Andre already, Rehan also. How about you, Ruth? Can you hear me? Not chat? Belum di-unmute, Ruth. Okay. Okay, I think that's all ya. Okay, so today what we are going to learn, kids, apa yang mau kita bahas hari ini?
Surface area of plus math project.
Yes, now we still learn about surface area ya, and also we will discuss our project for math ya. Okay, but before that, like I said yesterday, I will ask you to send your answer in the chat box of your homework. Jadi dikirim nilai hasil yang kalian peroleh di kolom chat box ini. Kan selalu kasih tugas kan yang kuboid. Nah, sekarang coba dikirim jawaban kalian apa. Please send to me.
Chat di Zoom kan, Miss?
Yes, chat in the Zoom. Semua udah ngerjain kan, atau ada yang belum ngerjain? Oke, Rehan already, good.
Jawaban dari hasil semuanya, Miss.
Your last answer. Jadi intinya surface area-nya berapa? Langsung gitu aja, the total the surface area.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Oke, Christopher. Oke. Kemarin Miss ada kirim, wait ya. Biar kalian lihat lagi. Yang ini, nak, jangan lupa yang ini. Can you see my screen, kids? Nah, semalam disuruh find the surface area of this cuboid. Cantik nggak tulisan Miss? Oke, wait ya. Oke, nah chat ya kids ya, baru 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6, 7, 8. How many students in here? 13. Okay, 6, 1, 2. Oke, yang already Miss bacain aja ya. Rehan, Gracia, Nona, Nicholas, Difran, Indi, oke, Ruth, Gracia, Hilary. Yang belum Miss panggil siapa ya? Andre, Cici, Oh, Cici already, barusan.
Present.
Andre? Oke, Andre not chat ya. Andre nggak dikerjain atau gimana, Andre?
Wait, Miss. Yesterday I still wrong once again. I do it.
Oke, oke. Ini Christopher katanya bad connection. Oke, I think that's all ya. Nanti Andre jawabannya nyusul Andre ya. Sekarang we will continue ya. Oke, now I want to ask you to explain how the first step we take to solve this problem. Oke, kalau misalnya kalian udah nemukan jawabannya, it means you already know kan, kids? Nah,
Yes, Miss.
ya, jangan takut salah ya. It's okay. You can explain by yourself. Okay. The first step I want ask Rehan. Okay, Rehan, please unmute and explain to us what the first step we take. Where is Rehan? Okay, Cici, boleh. Miss, may I take my drink? Of course. Rehan, can you hear
Miss, I do exercise like at the book, Miss. Same like at the book.
exercise at the book? What page?
Maksudnya, Miss, my answer is like at the book page 107. Caranya, Miss.
It's okay, sama-sama kok. Okay, it's up to you ya kids ya, banyak jalan menuju Roma. Also in math, there are so many ways to solve a problem. Jadi jangan takut kalau misalnya cara kamu berbeda. Nanti kita bahas, oke? Okay? Rehan, can you hear Miss JC? Mana nih si Rehan tadi muncul? Oke, mungkin lagi ini ya. Oke, now I want to ask Hillary. Oke. Di screen kalian yang kelihatan kan slide Miss yang tugas kalian?
Kelihatan.
Oke. Please Hillary unmute and explain to us.
Area of rectangle A.
Oh, okay, wait. Nah, berarti the first we have to identify kan yang mana area rectangle A, B, and C kan? So, I want to ask you, kalau Hillary, which one area of A you made? Yang mana area A-nya?
6 times
3?
3 times 6.
Oh, so in here ya, yang paling depan ya, in the front side ya. This is, okay.
Yes.
Okay, we make it as A ya. Nah, so in the pink color is A. Okay, how about B? Which one B?
4 times 6, Miss.
4 times.
6.
Okay, so it's the right side, right? Yang paling kanan ya? Okay, 4 times. Oh, no. 4 times 6 berarti yang the bottom ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you imagine ya kids ya, kalau misalnya ada yang kurang paham, boleh ditanya ya nak ya. Okay, so this is for B. Yang bawah, okay. And the C
is 4 times 3.
Okay.
4 times 3.
The C 4 times 3. Okay, so in our picture 4 times 3 yang mana? Berarti yang sebelah ini ya nak ya? Yang the right or the left side kan? Okay,
Yes,
so
Miss.
I make in here ya. Oh, wait. I need to change the color. Okay, so this is C. Okay, so all of you can imagine kids which one A, B, and C. Please give your thumbs up biar Miss tahu nak. Soalnya nanti kalau kalian nggak bisa mengidentify gimana kita mau ngerjain kan. Oke, Cici, Nona. How about others? Hilary, Andre, bisa dibayangkan Andre? Kalau there's a cuboid and then we identify become A, B, and C. Yang A itu yang paling depan ya nak ya. Sisi yang paling depan. And the B is alasnya, in the bottom yang alasnya. And the C, the left or the right side. Tapi yang kita highlight di sini yang the right ya, yang the left ya kids ya. Can you imagine Andre, Gracia, Nicholas, Brian, Fabio, Ruth, Rehan, Noel, semua bisa panggil. Can you? Okay, good job. And then after that, I want to ask again Hilary. So the first step, we want to find the area of
Rectangle A, Miss.
Okay, rectangle A. Okay, next continue please Andre. Nah, Andre, now kan kita mau mencari area of rectangle A. And we already know in the cuboid, this cuboid, rectangle A itu yang mana? So, how to find the area of rectangle A, Andre?
B times. Can I speak also, Miss? I saw this.
Okay, it's okay. Nggak apa-apa, nak.
P kali L kali T, Miss.
Okay.
After that, Miss, panjangnya is 6, Miss. After that, the labor is 4, Miss. After that, tinggi is 3, Miss. After that, width times, Miss, equals to, Miss, is 72, Miss.
Okay, wait ya. Okay, thank you, Andre. Now, kids, please respond to Andre. What do you think about Andre answers? You can unmute yourself ya, kids ya. Menurut kalian jawaban Andre gimana? Ada yang mau menambahi atau ada yang mau mengklarifikasi? Are you agree with the Andre's answer? Andre said T times L. In bahasa panjang kali lebar kali tinggi. Or in English we say P as the length times lebar itu width and tinggi itu height. Gini cara mencari area, nak.
We don't need the T, Miss. The height.
Andre and kids, ini rumus ini bukan untuk mencari area, but this is for volume. Okay, this is for volume, kids. Nah, kita kan sekarang mau mencari area of rectangle. Remember, area of rectangle itu kan 2 sisi, berarti cuma 2 yang dikalikan. Ini ada 3 kan? P times L times T. Artinya kan udah ada 3 dimensi. Kalau area kan 2 dimensi, nah. So, how to find the area of rectangle A? Who knows? Who can answer?
I know, Miss. I want, Miss.
Okay, wait ya. Wait. I will say. Okay, gantian ya. Sekarang first I want. Okay, coba Nicholas. Tapi Miss hapus dulu ini anak ya. Wait, biar nanti nggak bingung. Oke. Okay, please continue, Nicholas.
The sides in rectangle A is 6 times 3.
6 times 3.
So to find the area, We must multiply 6 with 3
Okay.
to find total of area.
Surface
Total,
area.
yes, total of the. Maksudnya total apanya, Miss? Total semua rectangle
Isinya. Yeah.
type A di sini.
Yes.
So we multiply 18 times 2.
Okay, good job, good job. Okay, nah, we already know that A nggak sendiri kan, si A punya kembaran di sini kan, kids? Okay, because the opposite sides are equal. So the opposite sides of A is, kalau A di depan berarti opposite side-nya yang di belakangnya kan, nak? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So I can write in here also A. Jadi depan sama belakang sama-sama A. Nah, so first I want to ask Fabio. Okay, Fabio, we already know that Nicolas said we have to multiply 6 times 3. Okay, Fabio, 6 times 3 is?
18.
Okay, 18. Okay, and don't forget because we have 2A in here, ada dua sisi A yang sama, it means we multiply by 2. So, 18 times 2 is?
36.
Okay. How many?
36, Miss.
Okay. Don't forget to say 36 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, good job. Thank you, Fabio. Okay, now yang belum panggil, how about Rehan? Rehan tadi chat Rehan. Okay, Rehan, after that we want to find what?
After that, we find area of rectangle B.
Okay, good. Area of rectangle B. Okay, so rectangle B yang di bottom ya, yang paling bawah dasarnya. So, we multiply what number?
Six times 4.
Yes, of course. 6 times 4. So, 6 times 4 is?
24.
Okay, and then the total rectangle of B is 2, yeah? So, we have to multiply by 2. And then we got?
48 centimeters square.
Yes, 48 centimeters square. Okay, thank you, Rehan. Good job. Now, I want to ask Ruth. Hello, Ruth. After we find the area of A, B, now we continue to? Ruth, can you hear me? Okay, wait. Okay, wait ya, kids. Gimana, Ruth? Can you? Oke, Miss ganti dulu ya, Miss kasih kesempatan. Oke, next continue by Gracia. After that?
Area of rectangle C, Miss.
Okay, after A, B, now we continue to rectangle C. Okay, now we can see rectangle C in the left ya, in the left and in the right side. Sisi kiri yang tegak dengan sisi kanan yang tegak. So, we multiply what number?
We multiply 3 times 4.
Yes, 3 times 4. So, we got?
12 centimeters square.
Okay, and then We know the C has 2.
We multiply by 2.
Okay, so we got
24 centimeters square.
okay, good job. After this, what? Okay, I want to ask Nona. Nona, after we find the area of rectangle A, B, and also C, what next step?
The first, miss, we add the
Yeah.
at the 36, at the 48, and 24, miss.
Okay. So the surface area, it means we add all of the side, The surface area is, what number we add, Nona?
The first we add the 36 and the 48.
Okay. So 36 plus 48 is
84. 84.
84. Okay, and then?
And then we add again, miss, the 24.
Okay. So we got
Become 108 centimeters square.
108
Centimeters square.
centimeters square. Okay, kids, are you agree with this answer?
Yes,
Jawaban-
miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now I want to see your answer in the chat box, yeah. Okay. Okay, kids, all of you say that the answer is 108 centimeters square. Tapi masih ada juga yang say another number, ya. Okay. I want to ask you who already, have you any question, kids, bagi yang belum benar, yang merasa dirinya belum benar, kalian ada yang mau ditanya? Karena di sini yang jawabannya tidak 108, ada yang bingung? Andre?
No, miss. No, miss.
Okay, so we can continue ya. Bagi siapa yang merasa jawabannya belum pas, dilihatnya nak ya. Kita kan masih membahas, we already discuss the surface area ya. So if you multiply like 3 times 8 times 4 atau P kali L kali T, itu udah volume. Nah, volume itu beda sama the surface area. Kalau volume itu kita ingin mencari isinya nak. Misalnya kita mau ada ember. Kita mau mengisi ember itu sampai penuh. Berapa banyak air yang kita butuhkan, itu caranya kita menggunakan volume. But kalau surface area, misalnya ada ember. Nah, kita istilahnya mau mencat ember itu. Berarti yang kita cat yang mana? Bagian dalamnya atau bagian luarnya? Bagian luarnya kan, nak? Nah, bagian luarnya kita cat. Dan itu pun air catnya nggak kita tumpahin ke dalam, kan? Kita cuma mencat sampai dia tertutupi aja. Nah, itu dia perbedaan antara the surface area and also the volume. Oke, anak ya. Oke, any question before we continue?
No, miss. No, miss.
Okay, so I will stop share. Okay, and then we continue ya. Kita bahas satu soal lagi in your book ya, your textbook. Open your textbook. Yes, page 108. Okay. What shape is this, kids? Kalau di solid kita bilang apa ini gambar ini, nak?
Prism.
Yeah.
Prism, miss.
This is a prism ya. Good job. Nah, kita sekarang we want to find the surface area of prism. Okay, remember the surface area, it means we add the area of the sides. Jadi all of the sides we add all of them. Kita jumlahkan semua sisi-sisi di
prism.
Okay. Now as you can see, this is a net of the prism. Nah, so if kalau kita buka, we open it up, and then we have like this. the two-dimensional of solid. Nah, kalau kalian lipat ini, nak, maka bentuknya kembali akan seperti prism ini. Nah, kalau dibuka, if we open it up, we got two-dimensional shape like this. So, if you want to find the surface area of this prism, artinya kita cari nih, luas si A, B, C, D, and also in here, yang paling bawah ini. Nah, Miss mau tanya, ini kan dikasih tahu nih, yang paling ke atas ini, the triangle is A, the rectangle B, C, D. Kalau ini apa, nak? Fluid of apa ini?
Yang A, Miss. A.
Yes, so this is also A. Okay. So now, it means we have to find this area of 2A, 2A, plus B, plus C, and plus D. Okay? Can you get it, kids?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so we can start, ya. Now, the first in your book, the pertama kali kita ingin mencari area of triangle A. Okay. Area of triangle A. Di sini already ya dikasih tahu ya, area of triangle itu kan setengah dikali alas dikali tinggi, or a half of base and height. Oke, base-nya yang mana? Ini 3. And the height is 4. Ingat ya, kalau misalnya alas dan tinggi itu dia saling tegak lurus, maka kita ambil angka yang 3 dengan 4, bukan 3 dengan 5, atau bukan 5 dengan 4, karena dia tegak lurus, nak. Kalau tegak lurus itu antara tinggi sama alas seperti ini dia. Tegak lurus di sini, anak ya. Di sudut siku-sikunya ini. Oke, and then we got 6 cm square. Oke, kalau kita kalikan kan 3 times 4, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6 cm squares. Oke, now I want to ask Difran. Difran, we already know the area of triangle A is 6 cm square. So now area of 2 triangles A is what number, Difran? Kalau 1 dia 6. Kalau 2 artinya we multiply what number, Difran? 2 times. Masih di triangles A ini, nah. Ini kan A, already. Already dikasih tahu 6. Kalau misalnya 2A berarti kita kalikan 2 kan? So we write in here what number? 2 times. What number? Nggak kedengaran di front. 2 times? 2 times 6. Okay, so 2 times 6 is?
12.
Yes, 12 cm square. Jadi, nak, luas dari yang si A ini, oh berarti kita udah already dapat ini ya. Berarti, and then we already find the area of A, and also it twins, kembarannya. Sekarang kita cari apa lagi, nak? After A, we continue to find the area of
The rectangle B, Miss.
Yes. Nah,
B, C, and D.
ya. You can see ya, kids ya, area of rectangle B itu yang mana? First, we have to find the area of rectangle B. Area of rectangle B itu yang ini, nak. This is rectangle of B. And B just 1 ya. Jadi kita nggak perlu nanti kali 2, karena cuma 1 B di sini. Now, I want to ask in D. In D, if we want to find the area of rectangle B, it means what number we multiply?
3 times 2 is 3. 3.
Okay, wait ya. 3 times
3 times 3.
3 times 3. Okay. Now I want to ask you, all of you kids, before we continue to find the area of B, ini kan ada blanks di sini kan, kids? What number is here?
10, Miss.
10, Miss.
Okay. So if you open it up, You can imagine ya kids ya, ternyata dia kalau dibuka yang angka 10 di sini, kalau kita buka ternyata dia menjadi 10 di sini. Oke, can you imagine ya kids ya? So ini 10. Okay, next Indi. So it means when we find to area rectangle B, we multiply what number? Three times?
3 times 3.
Oh, 3 times 3, are you sure? Okay, now I want to ask another friend. Are you agree with this 3 times 3?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Okay, so first I want to ask again Cici. Cici, if you want to find the area rectangle B, it means we multiply what number?
3 times 10 equal 30 centimeter square.
Okay, good job. 3 times 10, karena di sini 3, and then sisi berikutnya berapa? 10. Karena kan kalau kita mencari area, we have to find multiply of the sides ya kids ya, don't forget that. Okay, thank you Indi and Cici. Now we continue to find the area rectangle C. I want to ask Noel. Oh, but before Noel, I want to ask Brian. Brian, can you hear me? Brian. Okay, next, Alexandra. Can you hear me, Alexandra? Di-unmute dulu ya, nak. Bad connection ya atau gimana nih? Oke, Miss lanjut lagi lah. Who wants to try for rectangle C? Oke. Please continue Cici lah, Cici.
We multiply 4 times 10 equals 40 centimeter square.
Yes, 40 centimeter square. It means kita kan udah dapat area of A kan already. Oh sorry. For A ini ya, for A, B, C. Berarti yang B already juga, and then C already juga. And then the last is D. Please continue, Gracia.
And then next the rectangle D times 5 times
What number?
5 times 10.
Okay, wait.
D.
5 times 10. Okay, ini kan yang D kan nak. Can you see? This is the D ya. This is the D. And we already know that the length is 10 ya, karena dia sama ya, antara tingginya ini sama tingginya ini kan sama-sama 10 ya kan nak. How about this? Ini kan belum dikasih tahu nih, berapa nih nak?
3, Miss.
Okay. Ada yang jawab 3. How about others? Are you agree with this 3 centimeter?
5, Miss.
5?
5, Miss.
5, Miss.
Kenapa 5? Karena nah, ini kan 5. Ya. Ada kan kalau misalnya kalian lihat di satu bangunan gini, misalnya ini ya nak. Kalau dibuat simbol seperti ini, 1 and 1. Berarti
Panjang, Miss.
iya, berarti panjang yang sisi ini sama dengan sisi
Sama.
nah, for example in here lah. Misalnya Miss buat begini. Di situ 2, di sini 2. Berarti panjang yang sama itu yang mana? Yang dia sama-sama 2 kan? 2 di sini berarti 2 di sini. Itu dia menandakan bahwa mereka panjangnya sama ya nak ya. Okay, can you get it?
Yes, Miss. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. So, from our figure, yang garis 2 angka berapa nak?
5, Miss.
Yes. So,
5,
it
Miss.
means in here 5 ya. So, please continue, Gracia. So, the rectangle D is what number?
5 times 10.
Okay.
5 times 10 equals 50 centimeters squared.
Yes. Okay. So we already find the area of D. Berarti udah semua sisi-sisi kita cari karena dari gambar ini kan udah misarsir. It means we already find the A, for A, B, C, D, and also A. Okay. So I want to ask Rehan. Back to Rehan again. Rehan. So after we find the total area, it means we can find the surface area of the prism. What number we add, Rehan?
12,
12,
30,
30,
40, and
40.
50.
Okay, good job. So the result is what number, kids?
132 centimeters square. 132 centimeters square.
132
130.
centimeter square.
132 centimeters
Like this?
square.
32.
Oh, 32. Okay. 132 centimeter square. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, ini kan kita ada diskusi sama-sama nih. Nah, bagi siapa yang belum nulis di bukunya, on your textbook, please write down ya, kids ya, on your textbook.
Already, Miss.
Already, yang lain gimana? Different, Alexandra.
Already, Miss.
Christopher.
Miss.
Already, Miss.
Okay. Okay, good job. So, it means I can stop share ya. Berarti udah bisa stop share ya.
Another question, Miss.
Oke, nggak ada pertanyaan lain kan, Nak? Oke. Now I can continue ya. After the surface area, we will discuss about our math project. Oke? Nah, math project kali ini, Nak, sama seperti math project di semester yang lalu ya. Yang kalian buat lingkaran terus kan explain kan about the circumference, the radius, ya kan? Nah, but in here we want to explain the solid objects around you. So you have to look at your surrounding, lihat sekelilingmu, kira-kira solid apa yang bisa kamu explain. For example, di sekitar Miss yang seperti yang kemarin, masih ini, oke? Okay? Nah, jadi ini kan adalah box of, kalau di sini kalian bisa lihat tulisannya Full HD webcam. Nah, jadi ini kotak webcam sekolah. Nah, so in here I know that this shape is solid. Kenapa Miss tahu ini solid? Ya, karena dia bisa diisi sesuatu. It means it take space. Beda sama kertas, kayak Miss bilang kemarin. Kalau misalnya kertas, I want to explain this paper. Mana bisa, karena kan nggak bisa diisi sesuatu. Berarti dia bukan 3-dimensional shape, but 2-dimensional shape. Okay? And also in here, I got, oh this is the lip tint, lip gloss. Bisa diisi kan, ada isiannya kan, Nak? So, it means this is a 3-dimensional shape. This is a solid. Nah, jadi nanti kalian lihat di sekitar kalian itu benda apa. Misalnya ada topi ulang tahun, or ketupat, atau cuboid. And then you have to record yourself while explain. Ya, Nicholas?
Projectnya dikumpul kapan ya, Miss?
Oke, karena math projectnya this week, I hope you can start to send to me in WA this Friday. This Friday ya, jadi Jumat ini udah bisa dikirim ke WA Miss. But if you need take more time, bisa juga. Nah, tapi batasnya Miss kasih cuma sampai minggu depan. Karena kalian minggu depan lagi harus ada project lagi, terus lagi libur Imlek. So make sure if you can record yourself as soon as possible. Jumat ini dikumpul ya, Nak ya. And then I will upload to the YouTube and share to your class group so you already know siapa aja yang udah atau siapa aja yang belum and how your friends explain. Ya kan, kalau kalian kan penasaran gimana ya si Hillary menjelaskan ini, gimana ya si Gracia menjelaskan, gimana si Rehan, Febio, dan lain-lain. Nah, kalian bisa lihat di situ. Not ke math group, tapi ke Miss aja pribadi, and then I will upload to the YouTube ya.
Miss,
Okay, Miss.
how you upload our video to your channel, Miss?
Oke lah itu ya ke channel Miss aja lah. Nanti dari situ nanti after already baru nanti Miss nilai. Jadi harapan Miss semua dulu mengumpul baru bisa Miss nilai, ya kan? How you can value something kalau kamu nggak ada pembandingnya, ya kan? Kalau kita mau menilai kan harus ada pembandingnya misalnya kan. And don't forget, ada yang mau ditanyakan, kalian tahu nggak apa yang mau kalian explain?
Buku, Miss.
Ya?
Buku.
Sudah tahu, Miss.
Buku solid kan, Miss? Solid.
Ya, buku solid.
One solid.
Dan bukunya itu yang tebal. Jadi kita bisa lihat secara jelas apa yang ininya, mana panjangnya, mana lebarnya, mana tingginya, ya kan? And like this ya, Miss udah kirim di PDF learning kalian itu contoh YouTube Miss. Nah, contoh gimana Miss menjelaskan. But itu sepertinya sangat masih ini ya, nak ya perlu ditambahi lagi karena di situ Miss buru-buru. Nah, tapi kalian bisa lihat ya yang udah Miss share.
Frame bisa, Miss. Bingkai foto.
Bingkai
Harus buku kan, Miss?
Nggak harus buku dan nggak harus cuboid, nggak harus cube. Kalau misalnya kamu dapatnya cone, lagi makan es krim ini kan atau ada tempat es krim, bisa.
Gelas, Miss.
Gelas bisa, gelas juga bisa ya kids ya. Oke, like this ya, please see this video karena kita masih punya waktu ya, bisa dilihat. Nanti ada yang mau kalian tambahkan malah lebih bagus, lebih detail, lebih bagus ya nak.
Hi everyone, welcome back with Miss JC. Today, I'm gonna show you the things, solid object around me, okay? So the first, I have a bottle of water. And then I have a bottle of perfume. And the last, I have a can of snack, which is Twister. Okay, so, and all of these, okay, and all of them called as cylinder. Okay, now I'm gonna explain to you the characteristic of the cylinder. This cylinder has two flat surfaces, which is in the top. This is a flat surface, the first flat surface, and the second flat surface in the bottom. And the shape of this flat surface is a circle. Okay, and both of the flat surface are equal. They are equal. And this cylinder has one curved surface. Curved surface. Okay, and this cylinder has two edges. The first edges in the top, this is the first edges, and the second one is on the bottom, this is the second edges. And this cylinder has no vertex because we know that vertex is when two edges meet. But in here, this is the first edges and this is the second edges, but both of them didn't meet. So this cylinder has no edges. Okay, I think that I can explain to you. If you can add something, it's gonna be better. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, that's all. Nah, jadi bisa ya seperti itu contohnya. Nah, explain as much as you can. Jadi sebisa mungkin kamu explain sedetail yang ingin kamu jelaskan. Ya, Nicholas, ada pertanyaan lain?
Nanti pas merekamnya harus pakai baju sekolah, Miss.
Oh ya, forget about that. Ya, ya benar. Harus pakai baju sekolah ya. Kita diskusi. Kalian mau pakai baju seragam yang mana, nak?
PE.
Oke,
Batik.
PE.
Oke. Kalau kemarin kan udah pakai PE, ya kan? Kali ini yang lain dong, gantian. Jangan pilih lagi.
Batik, Miss. Batik, Miss.
Batik aja lah ya, nak ya. Oke.
Batik.
Jadi kalian merekam pakai batik. And don't forget ya, kids. Itu tadi Miss kan kalau recordnya itu landscape. Portrait ya. But you have to make in the landscape. Ngerti kan nak buat landscape kan? Itu tadi kan Miss ambilnya begini berdiri sambil record. But better you have to make in the landscape. Jadi biar cantik kalau dimasukin ke YouTube ya nak ya. Oke? Any question?
Miss, batas waktu videonya berapa menit, Miss?
Oke, maksimal, the maksimal itu 5 menit, minimal 1 menit. Karena menjelaskan nggak banyak,
Banget, Miss.
ya. 5 menit ya terakhir ya paling banyak ya, 5 menit. And if you can kids ya, you can like gini, kayak Miss mengumpulkan yang benda-benda yang sama. Misalkan tadi ini cuboid. And then this is cuboid. Jadi kalian kumpulkan dulu cuboid yang ada di sekitar kalian, and then baru kalian jelaskan lagi. So I want to explain the characteristic of cuboid. Jadi ambil satu contohnya baru explain. Nah begitu ya nak ya. And if you can to compare, jika kamu bisa membandingkan, for example ternyata di sini ada apa nih ya, silinder. But I want to explain cuboid. Kamu bisa menambahkan juga. Nah seperti ini. For your information. If you compare the cuboid and the cylinder, you can see that this cylinder has no vertex, but cuboid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in the cuboid have 7 vertex. Nah, kamu bisa juga menjelaskan, tapi maksimal 5 menit ya nak ya, biar nggak kelamaan. Any question? Ada pertanyaan lain?
No, Miss.
Nah, jadi terserah ya kalau kamu ingin menjelaskan satu benda, satu jenis benda bisa. Tapi kalau kamu rasa itu terlalu yang lebih baik kalau misalnya aku membandingkan 2 benda, for example, I want to compare the cuboid and also the glass. Glass kan silinder. And then you explain, it's gonna be better ya kids ya. Nah, jadi yang Miss lihat di sini, apa yang Miss nilai, how you can explain the characteristic. Jangan nanti kalian udah panjang lebar ngomong, tapi kalian nggak menjelaskan yang mana face-nya, yang mana vertex-nya, yang mana edges-nya, how many faces.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, can you get it? Pakai baju batik ya, nak ya? Oke, kalau nggak ada pertanyaan lagi, please give your reaction and I will screenshot. Christopher and also siapa nih ya? Please turn on your camera, kids. Okay, please give your reaction and I will screenshot. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you, kids. You can leave. See you in the next meeting. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss. Thank you.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye all.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.